Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we set theme in our Technophone. Friends, we want to set theme in your Technophone, so friends you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set theme in our Technophone. In this video, friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all, can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all, open your phone setting to set your theme. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see theme and lock screen setting. Friends, tap here, guys click on my theme setting. So friends, you can see guys we have this theme, and guys you can see your download theme you want to set. You can set your download theme also. And guys you can see this theme guys we will set for now. So we will apply from here, and guys we will, you can see guys theme is set in your Technophone. Guys you can see your new theme setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to set theme in a Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends, take care.